Hey, welcome back guys. So this is the Gros Michel banana that I have transplanted. I noticed that it's split. I noticed that this part basically comes out of the body. So if you notice what's going on here, I don't know, maybe this part might just dry down and this is the new body that it formed. As you can see, this might be just the empty shell right here, but it's still green. But this has formed a new body and is growing up. And as you can see guys, we have the water supply right here to feed this banana tree. All right, we also over here, we also have two suckers that growing that we take from the banana root and we transplant them into this container, and now we multiply the plants. All right, so this is a beautiful setup. Have its own drum to feed itself. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.